Hi there, if you're a veteran, did you know that you can use a VA loan to purchase a second home? I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this in this video so that you can start building financial freedom through real estate rental income.
Welcome to Rock Real Estate with Stu Simone, where we make real estate informative and fun. And now, here's your associate broker, real estate attorney, and mortgage loan originator, Stu Simone.
Hi, my name is Stu Simone, and I'm a real estate broker, lender, attorney, and son of an Air Force colonel. If you're a veteran looking to buy your first or second home, give me a call, text, or email, and let's chat. Now, as a veteran or active duty military, you know you are entitled to certain benefits when it comes to buying a home. And it's supposed to be a home. One of these benefits is the VA loan, which allows you to buy your home, this is your primary residence, with a $0 down payment and no private mortgage insurance. And that can save you hundreds of dollars every single month on your mortgage payment. But you probably already knew that, right? But did you know that there is a way to use your VA loan to purchase a second home and become a real estate investor? Yep, it's true. Well, first off, if you're not sure whether you qualify for a VA loan at all, you want to request a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE, online at www.va.gov or through your lender, or you can mail in a VA form 26-1880, which you can download off the internet. Mail it to your regional loan center. Next, if you have full entitlement, you can completely finance a second new home with your VA loan and then rent out your current home. You should have full entitlement if you've never received a VA loan, or you paid off a previous VA loan and sold the property that the loan was used to purchase. You may also qualify for a one-time entitlement restoration if you've paid back your VA or refinanced to a different loan type, but have not sold the property attached to the loan. Now, in order to use the VA loan for a second home, you need to move into the new house within 60 days of purchase. And then you can rent out your existing home. So just think, you can start building lasting wealth through real estate with 0% down and no PMI. Now, let me explain what full entitlement means. Your entitlement is the amount the VA guarantees to a lender on your behalf. In other words, the maximum amount the VA will pay if you defaulted on your loan. If you have full entitlement, then you won't need any down payment or PMI. If you have a VA loan that started before January 1st, 2020, then you probably have some loan limits on your loan based on your county loan limits or conforming loans. However, for any loan made after 1/1/2020, there is no limit on the VA entitlement. In other words, the VA now doesn't place a limit on how much you can borrow overall. However, you can't just go out and borrow millions of dollars to buy homes at 0% down. That would be nice. You will be limited by how much your lender will allow you to borrow. Keep in mind, you can't get a VA loan direct. You need to go through a lender. And the lender will want to feel confident that you can actually afford the property you're buying, so they'll look at the usual things like your income, credit, and employment. Now, maybe the coolest thing about buying a second property with a VA loan is that the lender can count 75% of the projected rental income from your first property as part of your overall income. So this helps you qualify to purchase that second house much more easily. And, it could make the difference between you being able to own two properties or not. And, you could always bring additional down payment money if the lender won't lend the full amount. In other words, if you're buying, say, a $750,000 second home and the lender will only lend you $700,000, you can always bring in the additional $50,000 to cover the difference if you have saved that amount. Now, to use your full entitlement to buy a second property, you will need to meet certain requirements, and you'll have to certify that you intend to occupy the new property for at least the next 12 months as your new primary residence. Remember, if you have full entitlement, you don't need to provide any down payment, and you also won't have to pay private mortgage insurance, which most people do if they don't pay a 20% down. That could save you hundreds of dollars every single month. And also keep in mind that even if you have a current VA loan, you might have partial entitlement. The amount of entitlement you have already used is equal to 25% of the current home loan amount. Now, this can get complicated, so we won't dive into that subject here, but just know that you don't need full entitlement to take advantage of your VA loan benefits. And there you have it. If you're a veteran looking to build financial freedom through real estate, this is a clever little strategy that lets you own two houses when you might not be able to otherwise. And you know how I feel about residential real estate investing. People will always need a place to live, so you can always count on rental income. And not to mention there's appreciation and some tax deductions over the long haul as opposed to sweating out the rising and falling stock market. So if you're looking to buy your first or second home using your VA benefits, reach out to me so we can talk through the specifics of your situation. And if you like, I can set you up with a VA loan myself, seeing as I am also a licensed mortgage loan originator in the state of California, that is. Well, thanks so much for sticking around, watching this entire video, and we'll have many more great real estate insights right here on this channel. So stay on board, watch the next video. See you soon.